Wagwan. We're not dealing. In the last episode, not the live, but the last episode, I asked the question, what building have the most stories? Obviously, it's a library. Library, books, story books. Get it? No? Yeah? Not hotel. So all people that say hotel. No, not hotel. I don't mind too smutty. I could jump in at some big ups. Quickly. Gamer Josh, big up yourself. Kai Wall, big up yourself. OG Ice, big up yourself. Rickwan Miller. Rickwan, let me say your name right. If me say your name wrong, sorry, but Rickwan Miller, big up yourself. Tins Gaming, big up yourself. Okino Derby, big up yourself. D, that's simple, yeah. D, big up yourself. DJ 𝐷𝐸𝐿, big up yourself. Jermaine Green, big up yourself. Last but not least, the versatile Javon Lewis, big up yourself. Alright, boom. Alright, so I go on. What are dealing? Everybody good? Yo, everybody enjoy the live stream, cause I did. Live stream was nice. So today we are gonna keep a party. I go keep a party also. So I go work and me pay some people for go and stay here so until forward from work and make sure so the party run good. So when me done work, I go my other house, get changed and then come back up so. Hear that? So I could say what I go on when time I come back up so. So let's go to work, man. How is everybody going anyway? Everybody good? Everybody alright? Everybody nice? Yeah, I'm going on the side of the house because I can't go through the house with my dirty shoes and I'm clean it, so I'm not dirty it up. The people we say, yo, oh, if you have a Range Rover and you go and drive garbage truck and you have to hustle, dog. You have to hustle. To them, I have my bike out. I go a ride out. You understand? So I'm going to jump on the Wumba bike. Machine, helmet. Yep, helmet up. So the next time I forward you, sir, party in a full swing. So I'm going to go work quick and fast and see what I go on. You see me? But yeah, bike road them, you know. Bike road them, man. I like the bike road. Yeah, man, big up everybody who they over on the live and enjoy themselves and take part and comment and go one bag of niceness, you know. Big up everybody. I think I have to do live stream more than 1 day, I think. I have to put up a next poll and ask you know which other day you think the live stream for go on. Watch it, yo. Bike faster than your one. Know yourself. So I got work you know and then finish work. I want to make it to work, you know. I want to make it to work. I don't want to kill myself. So I got work, you know, and then go on my next. Go to my next house and get while I wash off, get changed, and then come see what I go on. So basically, the party is not my birthday. Not yet. My birthday coming up soon. So, me soon will have birthday party. No.
Hey, where the hell are you going with my bike?
You can't steal no bike, boy, you dog. You mad? No bike thief round here. Come for your bike, me G. I'm sorry about the blood with your bike, but see your bike here, me G.
Oh, thank fuck you got it.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Seriously, you saved my ass.
Yeah, man. Me know about the ass thing still, but
that shook me up.
Yeah, man. Don't worry yourself, man. Just go and big up yourself.
Oh, this is fucking awesome.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself,
Cool,
man.
My repo instincts kicked in.
Yeah, straight. Let me see if I can call the ambulance with the idiot here. Ambulance.
Thank you. Paramedics are en route to your current location.
Alright, and toll. Thanks. Alright. What if you do? Wait until them come and just go about my business. I'm going to wait and see what them do. Ask anybody and me kill him. Me kill him. Because him a thief people bike. He not go thief the man bike again. Our second time him a thief the man bike. Come on, ambulance. Hurry up. We don't like petty thief, you know. That's why I go work, you know. If you go rob a bank, Yeah, I splat him out in the road, man. Splat him out in the road, man. Splat him out. You see me? Swat him out. Yeah. Yeah, dog. Wanna come try to save him life? Well, him dead already. Wanna come take him up off high ground? Cause this is a rich community. Look on the house, them. We don't want a burglar around here, man. Don't drive over him. Me rotted. So hold on. This ambulance them gone. Me not gone too? Me gone too, man. Me not wait, man. Ambulance gone, me gone too, bro. What them ambulance man I drive, sir? I know, star. Anyway, I'm gonna go work. Whoa, hold it. Hold it, hold it, hold it. I gotta work before me late. And then get ready for the party a little more. So the party is just like a housewarming because by the house I'm gonna say, yo, I'm gonna keep a party up there in the hills, you know? So I'm gonna send out the invitation for some friend bring some friend and some friend bring some friend, you know?
Man, you got off lucky, homie.
There's just one rule me have to the party. No man to man dancing at the party. No man to man dancing in the party. So people can dance and enjoy themselves. Man to woman we say. No man to man dancing at the party. So who don't like it, bite it. Who don't like it, bite it. That me say and that me mean. I mean what I say and I mean what I say. I say what I mean. You see me? No man to man dancing around here. Hey, y'all come wind up, come turn around and wind up. When you see, just wind up. What way I do? The other way. Yeah, yeah. Oh, wrong turn. Wrong turn. Go pass up. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, so the people where I say, yo, if you have Range Rover and go do 9 to 5 I drive old truck. Yeah, work me I work. Work me I work, dog. That's why I have my money. I work me I work. I'm to you. Yo! Uncle D! See for Uncle D. Uncle D! Oh, an Uncle D. Yo, who you new starter? Well, I guess you don't know me because I don't meet him yet, so. So meet him. New starter. So get him name and thing for now. Me check say Uncle D because I know say Uncle D is on shift now still, but enough job me have now. Also me house still now. Enough job me have, man. Big up Uncle D, man. You know what I think, man. I also have a next regular for Axe, you know, in another video as well. So stay tuned for that one there. And the people them where beat me bad and I say, yo, me not big them up and yo, remember say I'm the only YouTube I do this, you know, like in nearly every video, you know. So nobody come go like no one come bully me, dog. For big enough. Like there's so much people commenting the right answers. Me can't just big up one set of people. So when I have to sit with me and know say, yo, I have other people for big up, and then when time that done, me reach back around to Uno again. So Uno just go and build, man, and just go and wait on the time, man. I want to know, man. No make it thing look so bad, man. You see me? Take off my gun. I need no gun here, so. Alright, hold on. I'm gonna park my bike in here, so because I don't want to lose it. I can park it here, so yeah, man. I don't want to lose it. Alright. Alright, let's go. Let's go to work.
How's it going?
Yo,
I can't even take a full hour lunch break.
Why?
whatever, you real cool.
Why you can't take a full hour lunch break? People, that job here is just my little forklift job, but when I do. Why me slow down? I'm not too afraid, man. How I drag on? Oh, that. Ah, sorry. My bad. My bad, man. I can see up there, so yeah. So I'm not damage the body beaker. But yeah, little forklift are quite fast in the dog. Remember, you know? Man, not working that day. Enough job me have, man. Excuse me, coming through. Yeah, having a nice day at work. Try to create some over. Okay, alright, cool. Them creating them on over there, sir. Oh, put the crate on them chiller, yeah. Okay, cool. Which one first, brother? This? Sorry, no dog. What you do? Move them on you. I'm gonna tell them move from what I'm moving. Don't try nothing stupid. Excuse me. Why? Why you gonna do that? Work me at work. What?
Oh, hell no!
No, that. Why? Let me first. Why? Hard man. You want me get fire? Eh? You want me get fire? Or what? What you want me do? Eh? Get fire or what? What you do, brother? I don't mean to do that, dog. You walk front of the thing, health and safety. You never no Ivy's jacket. You never no helmet or nothing. Man, move and go here, man. What you want to come? Hey, boy. Rock left and oh, lift up, man. Alright, cool. Up. Matter what, make people always try fast with me, dog. Wanna see me a turn? Don't come out of my way, my youth. People just love fast with me, dog. No matter what me I do, people always go fast with me, brother. Because my arm just look threatening. Oh! Go forward. Alright, drop it. Alright, that's good. Alright, cool. I like people, my youth. You see, now you're gonna give me your 3 pints now. How you look now? How you look a girl now? Fall up like a suck out back juice. You look stupid, don't you? Yeah, man, don't take up your car anger, man. Don't play with people, man. Thump it up, boy, for fun. Alright. So people, work done you know, as you can see evening you know. So it was a long boring day. So I never want to show you the whole day I walk one. So right now as you can see about what 5-6 o'clock you know. Guess me not do overtime. 7 o'clock you know, I guess me not do overtime. So I quick go up on my yard, get changed and then go up at the party you know. Cause night I come down, you know Nathan? So yeah, I could go up there go see what I go on. You see me? Before I get changed, I go bathe first. Yeah, I go bathe first. I forgot to say that part there because I don't want to face me a nasty boy. I want to face me a nasty boy. I go be in the seat. Come on, nasty boy. Man just do a hard day work, dog. And go home and bathe. Not get picked daddy. But yeah, I get a text as well. Somebody WhatsApp me say yo the party in a full swing. So I go park my bike and get the next car. And go check out the party. Remember I've got a regular phone now too. It's not the next one. So stay tuned. Big up my bro 𝐿𝐸. Big up the people who go over him channel after the live but to show him the love. Yeah. Really appreciate it. So a big thank you from him to Uno. You understand? Big thank you from me too. Because you know support him. You know see I'm a G that. So yeah, big up 𝐿𝐸. But yeah, I think what I'm gonna do still, I do a next live. Like a next live day. I'm not sure which day yet. I mean if I plan it out properly and do it because live nice man, live nice and I don't want to be just a once a week thing. Want to be like boom, just happen, you see me? Yeah. It'll work, it'll work. And for the people who ask me about online stuff, I will be going back online. I keep saying that, but I will be going back online. And I will be bringing back Franklin stories too. Officer Brown probably not gonna come back. I don't know. Probably not. They might make a little entrance back in our camp, but they don't know. Say Officer Brown did up on a little suspension because of what him going with. Him kill the people them dog. So they made a pre him, you see me? Yo, night a forward fast, you know. Oh, yo. Night a forward fast, you know. What's up, my guy? Yo, nah, I can't help you right now. I have a party to go to. Go call the police, mama. Can't help you right now. I have to go bait. Open up. Like they are quick, brother. Like they are quick, my daddy. Alright. Take off helmet and go bait. Don't drop a helmet aground, you know. Don't drop a helmet aground. Nasty, me nasty. Alright, I could take a, I could go while I wash off and then forward back out. I'll see you. Alright. So we just fresh up here now. So I could go outside here now. Park up the bike here now. So you don't know me I drive the next Benz. So one a few Benz I have. You don't know. I can head up to the party and see what's going up there. You see it. Yeah man. Big body Benz there, yeah, man. Big body Benz there, you know. Only for Benz me have enough. But you don't know. So I go up there looking fresh. I'm gonna say, like me said this morning when I got work, the rule for this party is no.
Hey, my whip. That is messed up.
Sorry, bro. Oh, my car messed up. Sorry, bro. I'm sorry. The rule for this party is no man to man dancing around here. Right up my light. No man to man dancing. We don't want no man to man dancing. You see me? It's a warm night, so I guess there will be a lot of people in the pool, a lot of people outside the dance and DJ play and do them thing. You see me? Yeah. I guess there'll be a lot of people. So hopefully. Watch out, look when I drive in here. That driving here make me drive bad. Whoa, okay. Another person I got the party. Let me drive behind them and see if they got the party. Yeah. They would have got the party that we don't want them serve them no drink because they don't drink already. Them frost dog, look there. Oh, there she going now. She frost dog. She frost brother. Anyway, I could pull up and see what I go on the party. Sorry bro, I'm up on your side of the door. Okay, car turn over, people have a good time. Whoa, you can't excuse. Cameraman, excuse me. People have drunk. Excuse me, bro. I'm parking on my car park.
Look the fuck out.
Excuse me. Alright, I left my car yesterday then. Yo, park my car on there, so make it quick, make it snappy. Make it snappy. My party, you know, dog. Yeah, what go on there, son? Girl, let me wind up and I wind up and I turn around and wind up. When you see me, girl, wind up. You love it bad, just wind up. Wind up like your honey, me say. And she thought they like your cranny, me say. No, not cranny. Honey, sorry. Sick you, what on? Thing good? Big up yourself, my G. So I go on my house. Like I said, no man to man dancing. Who is this? I'm going to first person mode and see. Okay, it's a woman that, which is good. What on, babe? Oh, no, Musa. Yeah, party. Yeah, watch a girl. Girl, watch out. Bunks a girl for the bunks a song for the girl them bubble pan. If you love to see the girl them a bubble, put up your hand. Play a song for gangster bounce back now the girl them time play. Hey, watch out youth. How you do youth? Yeah. Hey. How you do brother? Yo. Let's see what I got. Oh my god. Oh, what I got in? Oh, DJ, you good? Yeah, DJ. Yeah. Say who? Yo. Yeah, daddy. Yeah. Yo, daddy. Spin it. Yeah. Yeah, party in a full swing. Sorry, no? What's up here? Sicky. Oh, alright. Okay, alright, my family. They're on a call. Let me check outside. What me dirty auntie do ya? What Simeon I do ya? Simeon, so me invite you
Yeah.
and you invite she?
Open your damn eyes.
Me know I'm an auntie up on my yard, Simeon. She treat me bad, brother. Right here, the run them there, ya. Yo, dog. No man to man dancing, bro. Alone good to don't dance with no man, just a dance in our group. That which is good, that's alright. When our bedroom and our vibes, you know. Wagwan baby, turn around, turn around, turn around. Turn around, turn around, turn around, man. Turn around, man. Yeah, turn around, turn around. Yo, what nice. Yo, me J, you good? Yeah, go and get it. Too much DJ there. Next DJ outside. Yo, that's rich. Music a shoot. Video shoot. Yeah. Me can get in a video, my friend. You. Yeah. Already. Yeah, man's here. Man's not hot. Anyway, go over here so go see what I go on. Mr. Check for the man to man. What she depend? Yo, you're good, man. Go on their thing, man. Enough people there still. Boy, Lamar, you know, say no easy, dog. Big man thing, you know, easy, you know, brother. Yo, you know, easy. That's a smarty dance. Lamar, my auntie over there so with Simeon, you know, see her? Yellow party, dog. Walk on, baby. Hey! Walk on, baby. Walk on, baby. Walk on, baby. Cock it up on the dump, Chuck. Don't run for the love startup. How you want say you must can't touch? Who can't touch must can't? Oh, it's set good like the ice in the freezer. What about the time it does feel like a why not go down and stuck? Hey girl, why not come up and why not come up? Genie. Hey, yeah, we like it. Alright, what else I going? Jet ski in a pool. Make sure you take up my jet ski. Then one time when I finish and make sure say don't damage my pool. Yeah, because I'm gonna sue some people.
Come on, move.
Yeah, man, what you talking about, brother? Let me say, no man to man dancing. Yo, no man to man dancing, brother. No man to man dancing at party. What I'm to you? Eh? What? You vex? You vex and me thump him down? Eh? You vex and me thump him down? Kick him again. What, you vex? You vex? Go like you have a problem with that. Hey boy, know yourself. My party there in a youth. Let me tell you. No man to man. Look at doggy. You good? Yeah. Alright. And I do nothing over there, so yeah. Girl in the pool. Hey girl. Hey. More jet ski. Wanna put some jet ski in my pool for brother? Hold on. What going over there? Man to man dancing. No. I jump off. No man to man dancing. No man to man dancing over here. Here. Tika. No man to man dancing over here. Here. You still a dance after me beat up people? What you do? Eh? You do stand up close to them too. No man to man dancing over here. I'm telling you already. No man to man dancing, bro. Why? See the center of the party here? Whoa. I don't go upstairs yet, so I don't know what I go on. But for now, see center of the party here? Hold on. Hey. Take girl win. Turn around. Watch out. Take girl. Oh, she up on her bum. What's she up on her bum? Take girl win. She have a good time though. Take girl win. Hey, tickers. Hey, tickers. What's a girl let? Bubble. Oh, look like she sit down and she get nasty. But bubble, she a bubble. Alright then. Bunks I wanna feed the girl them bubble pan. If you love to see the girl them a bubble, put up your hand. We play blank, we gangsta boss blank. Now the girl them time play pan tema. Watch out. Big selector a player, you no rookie. Just the dance work on the girl them a. Right. When the girl them a the pit and you watch it, man. If you're not happy, well I mean now. Girl a rock out anytime me talk out. Ready fit? What you talking about? Rope me no want in a house. Me a rave and a wait for the song we come out. Girl a bubble. Bubble girl a bubble. Hey. Cocked down for the girl. Yeah, me so far back to you, baby. Me like your style. What are gonna wear so now? Alright, you sit down, you not dance. The dog them there. Alright then. Alright. Yeah, now what a reason, jet ski. My farmer, what you sit down, pan dog? Yeah, magician. It was weird, brother.
I'm good.
On a weird dog. On a weird, brother. On a weird. Come on to my party. With no weirdness, brother. Where you sit down, pan? You're weird, dog. I'm a magician. You're weird, bro. No weird thing I go on in my place, brother. I don't know weird thing going over here. I see what going over here, so now. Alright, you're cool, no good. How you show me go finger? The chicken already yet, brother? You come with the junk inside. Know yourself and come out of my party with the junk self.
Hell to the N to the no.
Right. After the man there, yo, the man does light up the grill, dog, and you're customer. Eh? Salute. Salute you, sir. I salute you. I salute you, sir. I salute you. Yeah, man, I salute you. Alright, everybody good here, sir. Alright, cool. Alright. I'll go back inside and go upstairs and I'll go see what kind of madness is going upstairs, because I'm not go upstairs yet. I don't have to use my gun yet. I'll go upstairs and see what I go on. Anybody in here, sir? No. This is my little private room. I'm telling them, don't come in now. Huh! Wait. Security. You go like, you know see what I go on in this security? You know see what I go on in this a while ago? Hold on, man. Anybody up on the step? No, I'm not passing nobody on the step. I come up a while ago. Boy, hold on. Okay. This looks like it's a meeting I go on behind my control. What going on here, sir? Yeah. Yes! Girl money. A girl give me money. Pull up. Watch out. Money up on the ground. Girl a wine. Watch out. I want to find them girl that can dance with me. Want to dance, you know? Want to dance, man. Whoo!
Okay.
Hoi! Hold on, me I go get a dance. Hold on, me I get change. Hold on, me I get change and get a dance. Hold on, me need a dance.
Your favor, idiot.
Watch your girl up on the bed. Anyway, give me something back. Hold on.
Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
So giddy, watch out. Hey. Bend over, girl. Bend over, turn. My queen. Girl, I wanna put it a little bit closer, girl. Yo, me don't care if YouTube want to strike that video up. Me don't care. That video nice. Yo, that video nice. What's the money come from? Where do I get money from? Anyway, go and clap them. I have one more room. Let me go up on my terrace because see what I go on out there, sir. Oh, quad bike reach up here, sir. Oh, no easy. Something I go another room and I go check it out. It's like the next meeting I go on here, sir, which is okay. Meeting I go on here, sir. Alright, cool, that cool. But that room here, something I go another room and I go check out that room now. Put on up my clothes, man. Alright, what go another room now? Not that room, next one. Baby, thanks for the dance here. Thing turn up. Sicky. Everything go on, man. Let me see what I go another room here. I want no funny business that. What in a dancing monkey? No monkey on my bed. Come off from my bed. Come off from my bed, man. Ain't not easy. Can't reason here and Spider-Man in up on wall. Yeah, that good. Yeah, idiot. Where you kill the club? Where you see the club for? You know no sense.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Only you have monkey on the bed for? Oh, I'm told no virgin. I don't know what you say. You know some monkey in there, sir. Eh? You know some monkey in there, sir. You big idiot. You don't know some monkey in there, sir. Nobody gonna care innocent like that now. Big idiot. Monkey in there, sir. On my bed. Are you security? Are you make hey boy security?
Bitch.
Boy security, go ahead. I get no pay. I'm gonna get to a grave, man. I have monkey on my bed. Yo, don't bother try for radio me now. Don't bother try radio me now because me just mash him up, you know. Me mash him up. Because I have a monkey up there on my bed. He knows a monkey got in the room. Him not check or nothing. You're thirsty, my friend. Alright, go and go drink something, man. Go and go drink something. Me put it in a machine because me don't want nobody come in my house, come go in my fridge. So I take out the fridge. Mama clean up the thing. Alright, Mama, go and clean up the thing. Come back upstairs, go back downstairs, man. Sure. Monkey in my house, brethren. Don't do that. I don't get picked. Monkey flick. Yeah. Where Tickers there? Tickers! Hey, Tickers! Anyway, girl there. Road boy there. Cause a girl me say. Anyway, girl there. Gangster there. Cause a girl me say. Yes, a girl me say. Watch out! Give me the girl them. All girls brawling. Look at that. Yo, you got it. Yo, she tick. So yeah, people, party is in full swing. You don't know. Dust will come up. Morning soon light out. So you don't know. Say party soon have to go over. Cause you don't know. I'm gonna take a seat over here so I ask you to do the regular video shoot I make. So I don't want to disrupt them video shoot again. To them chair, man. I'm gonna look some sit down and ask them the regal. Yeah, man. I'm happy with my party. I'm gonna go one thing though. My dirty auntie there when off there. Dirty auntie there when off there, but she there already. So I'm not gonna embarrass her by throwing her out. You understand? So yeah, the regal for today is what have 4 wheels and flies. What have 4 wheels and flies? Answer the regular for me and get your shout out. You understand? So yeah. Yeah, party in full swing. Everybody, I'll start you a dab. Big up on yourself. Yeah. So yeah, people, this time I'm gonna end the video. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like on the video. Please comment and let me know your favorite part of this video. You understand? If you get this far in the video, please hashtag party. You understand? Yeah, if you get that far in the big video, hashtag party. See them on the screen right now. So big up everybody who take who they are same way. We are going to hashtag that. You understand? So until next time, guys, I'll see you in the next one as usual. Come on, girl, baby, hey, you know your baby father, Boss a mad wine fee, and you know your baby daddy. You don't take the laddie from anybody. Rich girl come out and I sleep with it. Wasn't you like shabby? Hey, top girl like the real bit, yeah.